Okay, dear guys, today's topic is implementation of business intelligence. So far, you have seen what is business intelligence, concepts of business intelligence, definition, and then data warehousing, data mining, business performance measurement. Then a huge part about the data analysis and the data visualization tools, big data. Now, finally, how to implement this business intelligence in the organization, that a vital part, crucial part. Learning is something different, implementation is something different. So you came to know that there are enormous uses, n number of uses are there if organization successfully implementing the business intelligence. So what is that process? We will see today. So business intelligence, if properly applied, can give you accurate analysis which can help you to accelerate and grow your business. If you are properly applying, definitely business intelligence will help you to grow your organization and will accelerate the growth rate also. It can help you to understand the customer acquisition cost. That it is one of the important one. Understanding the customer is important for all the organizations. Now, how much cost you are incurring for acquiring the customer, that is also important. I mean, how much we are spending on promotion, what strategies we are using, how much money is spent on that. It should be minimum. If you are spending much money on acquisition cost, then our services will become precious. I mean, it will become high cost. Then probably people will not turn up. So what is the customer acquisition cost? What are the customer behaviors, buying patterns, everything you will come to. The proper business intelligence implementation will not only help you to understand more about your customers, but also it will help you to increase your sales in many folds, in many folds, in different aspects. Implementing BI solution can completely reinvent your business by giving in-depth analysis and insights into your data sets and allowing you to take your business to the next level. Isn't it? You have data, you have information, but you do not have any proper tools of analysis, then it will be difficult for us. If it is properly implemented, you can take your business to the next level. Yeah. So what are those in-depth analysis? What points are involved in business intelligence implementation process? That we'll see now. So first one is educate the staff and stakeholders. So it's a human tendency to resist the change. If you know, it is everyone's tendency. Everyone will resist to change. Even when we are coming from physical classes to online classes, we show our resistance. We don't want it. So it is resistant. Any kind of change will bring resistance in the existing stuff. So the first step, what you wanted to see is we have to reduce that resistance. Then it will be a good. So how we can reduce means you can keep on motivate them, keep on awareness programs or educate the employees. Why this BI software is introduced into the organization, and how many efforts you have been put, and how this will bring your business to the next level. So these are all you have to educate them. So educating the staff and stakeholders requires a lot of efforts, as it requires a significant amount of expenditure from the stakeholders perspective. So first thing is we have to educate the staff and stakeholders also. Stakeholders means the interested parties in the organization. Maybe the people who are ready to invest, or the people who are already invested. So you need to take permission from them if you want to introduce the BI software. At the same time, the staff must understand the concept in the same line. If they are not understanding, then a difficult one. To whom you are bringing and who will implement it. So educate the staff first how this business intelligence software will work, and also give the information to the stakeholders. So it will be a easiest one. Then you define the objective. Second step, why we are bringing it into the organization. What are our goals and how this business intelligence will help. It is the second step. So successful business intelligence implementation is clearly define the objective which you want to seek. So write down that objective 1, objective 2, objective 3, objective 4, like that. It is so that everyone will have a clear idea. Don't put this in ambiguity. So there should not be any clashes or something which is not understandable. Don't keep like that. Your objective must be crystal clear. And set the key performance indicators. So how you measure that objectives again, it is the biggest one. So once you have defined your objectives to implement your business intelligence system, the next step is defining of key performance indicators. What aspects, what particular you will treat as key areas that you have to define and communicate the same to the employees also. So your performance will be evaluated on these parameters. So there must be some key performance areas. Without that, and this will constitute almost 90% of the objectives. The rest is ancillary. So it is very important to define what are the key performance indicators. For example, if you want to increase your revenue by 20% over the next quarter, in the next 3 months, then you need to set KPIs like number of inquiries, number of point of contact, sign-ups, and the number of leads in the sales funnel. So everything. So suppose if it is related to sales, then you have to define all those things. If not, how you reach that objective of increasing 20% revenue in the next quarter? So everything should be put on paper, and that process and whatever you are communicating should be crystal clear to the employees. So we have to set the key performance indicator. So here in this example, if you want to achieve the 20% of the revenue in the next quarter, so what you wanted to see means this number of inquiries and number of point of contact signups and number of leads. So these are all constitute key performance indicators. If some of the employees are not focusing on this, then they are not working properly. Then after defining your objectives, we need to form a team again. So teamwork plays always better rather than individual one. So divide the total employees into certain teams and assign the tasks accordingly, and give them some what we say targets that you have to achieve this, but it should not create any kind of stress or pressure on them. Then it will be a helpful. And then so the teamwork will help us. So in this plan, the teamwork is to inform people who will perform tasks like data cleaning, and then data input, data processing, and data analysis. So what work you can divide it. So this is one of the most important steps in a successful business implementation, as this team will be the executing ideas. So team only will execute our ideas, will help us in reaching the goal. So teamwork is very much important. And find out the best software, which software we have to use. So as I said, business intelligence is not a tool. It is a pack of tool, data analytical process tools. So it might be having many tools. So what are those tools that
Let's see.
So is it visible, guys? Yeah. So business intelligence includes set of packages. So we need to find out what is the best software that is useful for us. So you just want to use the Excel, or you want only MS Office tools or some other packages, accounting packages you need HR packages. So SAP courses, Tally, everything. So which software you want to, which is suitable to your organization, that you have to introduce to the employees. After that, you have to create the execution strategy, how this is working out. That is also most important, right? What is your execution strategy, and how the people are working, that required. Once you have the team and successful software, then you have to decide on your execution strategy. Who will execute? Is it a top-down approach or down-to-top approach? How? Then define the task and delegate the resources. So that is most important. Individually also, you have to give some targets and tasks, and also what are the sources required to achieve that task, and what target you have to provide. So only you are assigning the task and targets and not giving any kind of resources, and then it is difficult for them to achieve the goals. You are just saying them to go and win the war. If you are not providing any equipment, how they win the war? So you should provide your arms ready, you should provide all your equipments ready, then you will go and win the war. Simply you are just motivating and not providing any kind of resources, then it is not a good management. And then you have to create the data cleaning, data processing, data analysis process. Who has to do that data cleaning, and then data processing and data analysis process. So everything. And then implement the process as a proof of concept, pilot project. So first one team will do the work. If it is successful, then another team, then total organization can be implemented. Even the governments will do like that. If they want to introduce any kind of new scheme, first they will take it up as a pilot project. So later on it will be want to implement it to the whole state or whole organization. Then finally implemented the changes to meet the KPI. So any changes if you are finding, then you have to incorporate in the what we have to incorporate in the final plan, so that our objectives and goals can be achieved. So this is the process, and how the business intelligence implementation will take place. So implementation part is very much important. So whatever we study, we learn, we have to implement it. If you are not implementing, then it will be a waste process. So simply just you are acquiring the knowledge and not implementing anywhere, then what is the use of it? So if you want to successfully implement the BI process in your organization, then you must follow these steps. So you must educate your staff, and then you must educate your stakeholders, define the objectives clearly, set the key point indicators, key performance indicators, what are that, then divide into the different teams, and then find out the best software which you want to implement, bring it to in your organization, and what will be your execution strategy, then dividing the task and delegating the resources, and who also divide the work between who will do the data cleaning, data processing and data analysis process, implement as a pilot project, then finally implement into the one. So likewise, if an organization is following all these 10 steps, definitely it will take its business into the next level. That is what it will be a easy one. So in unorganized sector, you don't do all these things. If you, as you are studied MBA and you know everything, so we have to do it in a constructive way. So this is what about business implementation, guys. In the next class, we will see the different one. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.